Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial, we are giving this array, okay? And we have as a task to reverse the order of this array. We don't care what are the values of this array. We don't care about anything. We just take every element and we reverse it. So the last one becomes the first one, etc. So as you can see, 1 6 5 4 7, it becomes 7 4 5 6 1. Okay, to do that, what we can do is we can allocate a new array, so new space in the memory, and we can iterate through this array from the end, and then we put each element, we keep iterating and put. So we create an array, we iterate from the end, and then we put it here, then we put it here, then we put it here, then 6, then 1. Okay, that's one method to do it. But so that takes O of n space, right? We are allocating a new memory of the same size. So what we can do that we can do that inline. So let's do that inline. To do so, what we need two pointers. Again, low and high. And then what we need is that we need to swap. So this one, we swap it with this and the opposite. So we do the same here and we do nothing for this. To do so, what we need is that we need two pointers like we see, and we have to swap. So at the both ends, so at the lowest and at the highest. And then after the swapping operation, what we do is that we increase the low to get here and we decrease the high to get here. Okay, and then we do that again until the low is no longer smaller than the high. Okay, so it means it's not equal or of course greater than the high. We keep redoing this. So this is how we can reverse an array in O of n space. And the time complexity, it's O of n in both cases. But in this way, we did save ourselves from allocating more memory. Let's do that in code. Okay, so we have this array, the same here, okay, as our input array, and we need this output, right? So what we can do, start the pointers, so the low and the high, okay? So low equals 0, high equals the length of the array minus 1. I forgot this. Okay, so then we do a for loop where the low has to be smaller than the high, and then what we need here is that we need the swapping. So we can extract this swapping operation, and we give it the low and the two elements that we want to swap and the array. But for now we are just going to write it here in line. So the what we need is that we need a temporary as a placeholder for one of them. Let's say low for now. And then what we need here is that we need to set the low to the value in the high, and then we give the temp to the high, right? So here we just stored the low, then we did manipulate it, and then because we need the value stored by the low, we use the temp. Okay, that's done for the swapping. Now after we did swap, what we do, we increase the low, so low plus plus, and we decrease the high, so we decrease the high, right? And we keep redoing this until the low is smaller, is no longer smaller than the high, either equals it or greater than it. After we are done, we just return the array. Let's run this. It should give us this result. Yes, that's it. 7 4 5 6 and 1. So, this is a more efficient way in reversing the array using two pointers, one at the beginning and one at the end, and swapping each element. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.